class of 2020. This is most definitely not the year that you planned, not the year that you could have expected, and certainly not the year that you could have imagined. We hope that you will be as proud to be a graduate of the Cobb County School District as we are proud to call you a graduate of the Cobb County School District. So from everyone on our one team, we hope that you have accomplished everything that you have set out to accomplish during your high school career. And we also know that we have prepared you for success for that next step. So we wish you the best of luck and the best of success in whatever your next step has in store for you.
Seniors, I'm so excited to be celebrating your class. The Campbell faculty and Cobb Schools community are very proud of your accomplishments. You are part of the new era at CHS with your unparalleled academic prowess, athletic talents, artistic gifts, and service to the community. Many of us have commented about what a caring, giving, and civically engaged group of students you are. With your class, we are closing out the old Campbell, and a better Campbell is arising on the strong foundation you built. You have demonstrated greatness, and we know you will continue to be great. You are true superstars. Congratulations, seniors. You are forever Spartan strong.
Chanel Daughtery. I am the senior class president of Campbell High School, and I have to say, it has been an astounding 4 years and unforgettable senior year. There's a lot of great things about Campbell, but one of the best things that I'll never forget is how the faculty and staff have created many bonds with students and a lot of opportunities. I can say, however, I've had numerous opportunities given to me, and it has shaped me to the young lady that I am today. And for that, I am forever honored to be a Spartan. Due to COVID-19, I am truly sorry that our year had to be cut short, a special year that we were supposed to make the best of memories. But I wish you guys nothing but the best, greatness, and courage during this time and as well as your future. Class President signing out.
Hey class of 2020, and hey all my people at Campbell. I've had the best 4 years of my life, and my time has been super fun in high school. I just wanted to give a big shout out to all my girls, Campbell Volleyball, and my friends Campbell and Campbell IB, and I just wanted to tell the class of 2020 that I think we all need to stay strong and we need to stay optimistic because our futures are going to be so bright. Anyways, I love you guys.
2020 lit, 2020 lit. All right, class of 2020, we've made it through 4 years. We are moving on to the next stage of our lives, guys. I'm so proud of each and every one of you all, and I'm wishing you all the best in your futures and whatever you all decide to do in life. Love you all so much. 2020.